Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying a few essentials so the tool works immediately. Make sure your phone is powered and online, then sign into the same Google account in your browser. Once signed in, enable location and the Find My Device switch under Settings Security. This lets Google report real-time position. Now open Google. Calm and search Find My Device or go to the Google Device dashboard. At this point, you should already see your device listed and its last known approximate location. With the device selected, study the status information, battery level, online indicator, and a timestamp. If it's online, choose Ring to make it audible immediately or Lock to secure the screen with a temporary message and PIN. If you can't recover it, choose Erase to wipe personal data, but be aware this disables future location. Once done, examine the accuracy circle, if it's large. Use Street View or nearby landmarks to narrow the search before heading out or contacting local authorities. Finalize by choosing a safe recovery path. Go retrieve the device if the location is precise or involve local law enforcement if it's in an unsafe area. After you regain the device, sign into your Google account and review recent activity, change passwords, and remove any unfamiliar devices. If the device never appeared, double-check that you used the correct Google account, that location and Find My Device are enabled, and that the phone has network access. Toggling location off and on often forces an update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.